And I'm to going in that Dilulu, imagining, getting flashbacks. रात भी सपने में आपका गाना आया with that sky blue दुपट्टा and जिमी शेखल दीवारों के पीछे से ऐसे देख रहे हैं आपको.
Yes.
Tell me
Yes.
firstly, do you sometimes go and dance on that song? आंखें खुली हो या हो बंद?
Oh, what do you mean? Like quietly in my bathroom?
I think you got injured.
Of course, I got injured. I hurt my knees. I've fallen down. I hurt my bum. And it's fun to watch Ananya. She's cute. But yeah,
She's cute.
yeah. She
That's
is.
all.
Yeah. How bad you are.
अभी की एक्ट्रेस होती और अभी आपको किसी पे क्रश होता तो वो कौन होता?
सोचा पड़ता है ना, लेकिन who will be good?
ईशान खट्टर.
Yeah.
ये तो मेरे You are not giving them Instagram. He's बेचारा 13, 14. He's like, please allow me.
He is on Instagram, but he's not allowed to post his pictures. Now he is allowed to keep an account, but it's a private account.
So what is the use of that account?
I feel like telling the youth that concentrate more on your work, on your own personality, and don't breakups are a part of life.
Yes.
ये है द टॉक्सिक आदि. बंदा ब्लंट है.
यूजुअली प्रीति वुमेन मेरे साथ होती हैं, लेकिन आज सच में प्रीति वुमेन है. मैं हूँ अ से आदि. देखो रील्स पे गाना वायरल सन सना सन सन है, मेरे साथ प्रीति वुमेन है. और द टॉक्सिक आदि काइंड ऑफ पॉडकास्ट वेयर आई एम टॉकिंग एंड पीपल आर सीकिंग. सो इट्स टॉक सीक. Welcoming you, Preeti ji.
Toxic. Wait a
Yes.
second. See, why are they calling you toxic?
No.
You're not toxic at all. But you just like it.
Yeah.
It's wicked.
And I'm to going in that Dilulu, imagining, getting flashbacks. रात भी सपने में आपका गाना आया with that sky blue दुपट्टा and जिमी शेखल दीवारों के पीछे से ऐसे देख रहे हैं आपको.
Yes.
Tell me
Yes.
firstly, do you sometimes go and dance on that song? आंखें खुली हो या हो बंद?
Oh, what do you mean? Like quietly in my bathroom?
Wherever.
Actually, all the songs of that film,
Yeah.
we know it so well because every song we had to practice at least 100 times.
Oi, oi.
So each word, each step, and even though in this this song that you're talking about, I had a very small portion in
Yeah.
that song, but I know each and every step of Shamita and Kim because we had to practice that and rehearse it together. So and they know all my steps also because we had to practice each song. तो मुझे सब याद है और आप कभी भी बोलो मुझे करने को, I can start doing that song.
अरे वाह. And I love the way you handle दुपट्टा very nicely. ऐसे से उड़कर जाता है वो पूरा. मैं क्या भाई साहब, मुझे कोई दुपट्टा दे. कल से मैं सिर्फ वही गाना सुन रहा हूँ. And that's the craze and
That's all Farah Khan and Adi and जब आपके भी पीछे भी इतनी बड़ी टीम, फंटास्टिक टीम होगी, फराह खान, आदि, मनीष मल्होत्रा.
How humble you are, and often
We'll
not
also look
taking
good.
credits of that. है ना? But we'll start with that. What was the most difficult scene that you did in the film Mohabbatein?
The most difficult for me was the Kathak dance on the terrace. That was the most. Everything else, एक तो everything was so rehearsed, like I said. So that was and the role was soft
Yeah.
and sweet. And it was very free flowing role. So the role as such was not very hard, but that dance sequence was very tough because I have never danced in my life. I had never danced.
Apart from Mohabbatein, the way you danced there. है ना?
Rehearsal करना पड़ा थोड़ा. इतना easily
जख्मी
नहीं
हुए
आया.
थे? You got injured?
Of course, I got injured. I hurt my knees. I've fallen down. I hurt my bum.
Weren't you also dying at the same time? I'm taking that throwing and thinking of that fact कि काश ये सीन शाहरुख के साथ होता. Jimmy is okay, but still.
Oh, Jimmy is cute also.
That time though, oh my God, he was a very chocolate boy.
Yeah.
Now
He
this
was
become-
very handsome. He is very handsome.
Yes.
He's a very handsome man. And of course, Shah Rukh is Shah Rukh.
Yeah.
Nobody can charm like Shah Rukh can. He's so charming. It's so yes.
And जो अभी ट्रेंड चला है बैगी क्लोथिंग का, दैट वाज इन द फिल्म शाहरुख. उनका
सी
पूरा
clothing का?
बैगी क्लोथिंग है ना अभी. खुले खुले पैंट्स, खुले खुले ब्लेजर्स. शाहरुख हैज डन दैट इन मोहब्बतें.
Yeah, he has.
बिल्कुल
he
खुले
has.
ढिले कपड़े. Oh my God. And also the dressing that they gave you was a benchmark for the girls that time. They were
Yes.
all going gaga on such
Yes.
suits.
So it was very thought of, but इतना कुछ easily नहीं. Every character was very well thought of and
Yeah.
sketch. ये नहीं. Neckline इधर होना चाहिए, neckline इधर होना चाहिए, ये इधर होना चाहिए, दुपट्टा होना चाहिए नहीं. So everything was very thought of. सब सोच के किया था.
बट उसके बाद आपने बहुत सारी और भी फिल्में की, बहुत सारा और भी काम किया, बट द फेम मोहब्बतें गेव यू वो थोड़ा थोड़ा कम होता चला गया. बट आई गेस एज एन एक्ट्रेस इट एडेड you know, it added in your draft and craft बहुत ज़्यादा.
Yeah, see अभी now if when your first film is मोहब्बतें and it's such a big hit, then it's very difficult for any other film to compare to that or to reach that level. But I would say films like आवारा पागल दीवाना और वाह तेरा क्या कहना or even LOC, even though it was a smaller role, it was you know, an amazing movie and a beautiful music. Even another film I did, Chand Ke Paar Chalo, that did very well and it had very good music. So although maybe people remember still Mohabbatein only because it was my first film and the first impact, I still feel I you know, not being from the films and being an outsider from the film industry, still I think I've done a lot of good films and worked with so many good directors.
That is true, and hence I've added and said that कि maybe वो acting जो है उसमें बहुत कुछ उसने add किया होगा.
बिल्कुल मैंने इतनी साउथ की फिल्में भी की तो उससे भी बहुत सारा मुझे you know, I got a lot of training from that, क्योंकि मोहब्बतें से पहले भी मैंने काफ़ी फिल्में की थी और पवन कल्याण के साथ, बालकृष्ण के साथ, तो ये बहुत बड़े स्टार्स हैं and I learned a lot from them as well.
So same thing, not even same, भाग्यश्री मैम के साथ भी हुआ था when she did मैंने प्यार किया with Salman Khan, and it was a debut film of Salman with Rajshri Productions, and from that too she got married. भाग्यश्री जी was in love that time and she's like आदि I तो couldn't do anything उसके बाद, I तो went home, did my बच्चास and went to my family. तो she also took that break. But ये breaking जो है sometimes it takes a lot time, hence comebacking is too much. Look at Fardeen Khan now. He's coming up with a lot of projects. He did Hira Mandi, he did Visport.
Yes.
And the charm, of course, is not the same charm that he had that time, but it is a different charm now.
It's a different charm. It's like Bobby Deol. I think it's a better charm.
Yeah. So that's there. तो क्या कुछ आपके प्लान हैं, कब आप हमें सरप्राइज दे रही हैं?
I don't think, मुझे ऐसा नहीं लगता कि मैंने कभी ब्रेक लिया, क्योंकि मैं तो even when I got married, after that also even when I was pregnant, मैं फिर भी अपने appearances जो फिल्में शायद मैंने थोड़ी कम की, क्योंकि मैं एक ऐसा रोल ढूंढ रही थी उस टाइम पे which is worth my while, or that I feel that is worth my while away from my family, क्योंकि immediately after मैरिज हमने अपनी खुद की कंपनी भी स्टार्ट की, तो सिंस देन वी आर वर्किंग कंटिन्यूसली. तो मुझे ऐसा नहीं लगता कि आई हैव टेकन अ ब्रेक फ्रॉम फिल्म्स और द फिल्म इंडस्ट्री. मैंने एक फिल्म भी प्रोड्यूस की, सही धंधे गलत बंदे, विद माय हस्बैंड एज डायरेक्टर, एंड फिर हमने काफ़ी एड फिल्म्स, शोज, इवेंट्स किए विद आवर कंपनी. एक डिजिटल कंपनी भी खोली. And now we have a sports venture, the Pro Panja League, which is the arm wrestling league, जिसका season 2 अभी 4th October को आ रहा है, तो 15 दिन में आ रहा है. So it's still very hectic. तो मुझे लगता ही नहीं है that we have taken a break.
But साथ साथ अगर मैं बात करूँ आजकल के era में, it has changed a lot. You see what they did to Ishq Vishk Rebound. I was crying sitting and watching the film. And मोहब्बतें का अगर बने एक सीक्वल, तो who would you want to be part of film?
I don't know, depends on the story. क्या होगी कि
जैसी स्टोरी होगी. अब कौन पत्थर लिखेगा पीतल के पत्ते पर, पीपल के पत्ते पे? I guess अभी तो WhatsApp, Insta पे हो जाएगा. अभी तो
अभी it depends. But I think मोहब्बतें would work best with fresh young cast. So somebody young and new.
That is true.
From maybe like a Suhana or a Shanaya, one of those girls.
True that. But साथ Shanaya?
I don't know, somebody young, new, somebody who's not
also talented,
who's not done films or not seen too much.
But are you feeling that, you know, pain in you seeing Bollywood doing very bad right now? Because I cannot tell you one film which was content worthy, money worthy, blockbuster भी hit नहीं है. Do you feel that? Because you've seen everything.
Yes, I feel that films should concentrate more on scripts. And stories are, and I think the audience is too smart now. We underestimate the audience. We underestimated the audience then also. I think हमारी audience बहुत ही smart है, and they don't care कि A-lister है कि नहीं, वो एक अच्छी फिल्म देखना चाहते हैं. So that's the most important thing in any film. और yes, जैसे आपने कहा, दुख तो होता ही है जब आप देखते हैं कि इतना खर्च किया, इतनी क्या स्टाइलिंग किया गया, कॉस्ट्यूम्स किया, लेकिन फिल्म देखने में मज़ा नहीं आया. So yes, I do feel, I agree with you that very few films are made that are content driven.
ऐसी कोई बॉलीवुड की पुरानी फिल्म जो आपको ऑफर हुई थी एंड you didn't say
There
yes
are
to?
many like that.
Please tell me ना
But I
something
can't-
pretty face के साथ.
Abhi now these are old stories.
No, please tell me.
People won't
ऐसी कोई
remember
बड़ा
also.
popular.
These are old stories. So yeah, of course, every actress. There are many films that I did, and many films that I signed that didn't work out, and many films that I had to reject because I felt कि dates नहीं है. That went on to become huge hits. So ऐसे
Just
तो
like?
हुआ है many.
एक तो एक तो
Now I can't say. There are other actors and actresses that have done those films and they made it iconic. So I can't say no. It's not fair to say that.
कोई उसका फेमस गाना भी नहीं बताएंगे आप हमें? गाने ही बता दो. दुपट्टे में अभी मैं नीले आके नाच जाऊंगा उस बात के लिए.
नहीं. अभी तो फिर ऐसे बहुत now let's talk about fresh things.
That is also there. But right now, what kind of work you are getting in your platter?
So I have a show which has come out on Sony Live. It's called Kafas.
अरे वाह.
It has Mona Singh and Sharman Joshi also. Recently it was released and very different story. ये साहिल सांगा ने डायरेक्ट
जी.
किया है और बहुत ही अलग किस्म की स्टोरी है. एक जो लोग ज़्यादा बात नहीं करते हैं ऑन मेल चाइल्ड अब्यूज़.
Yeah.
और ये एक बात यू नो a lot of people we only speak about the abuse a female child goes
Yeah.
through, but what about the male children? They also go through a lot. So it's a very it's nice कि आजकल the society has become open and able to speak about these things freely. And a film like Kafas is much loved and become a show like Kafas has become very popular and famous. That people want to watch and they appreciate it.
True that. क्योंकि आपने मोहब्बतें सबसे ज़्यादा की हैं, तो आपकी definition of love क्या है?
Definition of love. See, now after marriage and 15
Some
I'm
experience
married
of
for
life.
15, 16 years. So now love and ishq is, you know.
Bullshit.
It's not bullshit. Affection should be there always in your life. It's not bullshit, but compatibility is also important. ये जो बोलते हैं ना opposites attract, वो हमेशा opposites बाद में वो opposite चीज़ें खटकने लगती है. So I think you should look for somebody with similar interests and a similar mindset and a similar background always helps.
हाँ?
So I would say कि arranged marriage is not always wrong. People should not be very much.
What do you
against
want for your kids? Anything they want.
I am not going to find somebody for them, so they better do love only. मैं थोड़ी जाके
It's a big task, no?
No.
Finding the right one and then.
I have 2 boys. आप समझ सकते हो मेरी क्या हालत हो रही है. एक 13 years का, एक 8 years का है. So I have a tough time.
So what they are up to? They want to become actor? Like any of them?
So Parveen and I keep them very away from you've not seen them
Industry.
on social
Yes,
media
that's what I'm
anywhere.
saying,
We don't allow them to have Instagram. We keep them away. We don't do car driver से school. None of that. They go by bus.
अरे
उन्होंने हमारी फिल्में ज़्यादा नहीं देखी हैं. वो हम उन्हें थोड़ा दूर लगते हैं लाइमलाइट से ताकि वो अपनी खुद की पहचान बना सके और वो जो करना चाहें whether they want to be actors or they want to be anybody else they can choose for themselves.
Have you ever faced anything with your name? Because Preeti is very subtle name and it was quite famous that time also.
Yeah.
Because there were too many Preetis. है ना?
Oh, there was Preeti Zinta.
Of course.
And she spells her name as Preity.
And she's been saying that कि please it is like that. मेरी spelling ऐसी है.
Yeah, so no, and not no, it's not
Yeah.
astrologically changed. So for me it was always because everybody used to write Preity and then Jangyani तो छोड़ ही दो. JHANGIANIA Jangania. Jinguni.
Nobody told
So-
you कि you should change your surname or name because ऐसा होता है बहुत directors बताते
Actually
हैं.
क्या है ना in my Sindhi circle people are very excited because after a long time there was a Sindhi actress coming after Sadhna.
Yeah.
Sadhna के बाद there wasn't anybody
Yeah.
as such. So actually people were quite excited. So no one really told me to change my surname. लेकिन मैंने साउथ फिल्म में की पहले तो उनसे तो कभी
लिया ही नहीं गया मैंने.
प्रनाउंस किया ही नहीं गया तो इट बिकेम झिंगानिया. अभी भी आप देखोगे तो काफ़ी फिल्मों में मेरा क्रेडिट झिंगानिया ही है.
Do you feel sad on that?
Yeah, that I feel very bad. And we told them so many times that this is it, but it's fine.
ठीक है. अभी recent कोई फिल्म देखी आपने? Are you watching films? right
I
now?
watch.
Which
I'm
one?
trying to get through Call Me Bae. trying to get through.
I didn't say anything, sorry.
Yeah. So I don't know. It's fun in parts, and it's fun to watch Ananya. She's cute, but yeah,
She's cute.
yeah. She
That's
is.
all.
Yeah. How bad you are. You're making it like I said.
I didn't say
मैंने
anything.
4 ही episode देखे. How can I judge it?
But even I guess if you're ready and if you're getting offers, I would love to see you in theaters again. Going
I
Gaga
would
on
love
it.
to see
मैं तो
once-
पहली रो में बैठ के देखूंगा.
Once an actor, they are always an actor. So you
True
can't
that.
take the acting out of them. Even though I'm doing so many now different things, and Pro Panja League is taking up my whole life
I know. I
because
saw it.
it's a
Time-taking
it's a big
process.
it's a big event, a big show. And not only am I doing the league, professional league, I also head the federation. So lot of athletes की सारी जो चाहे हैं, जो इतने सालों से आर्म रेसलिंग खेल रहे हैं लेकिन उन्हें वो स्टेज नहीं मिला है, वो recognition नहीं मिला है. A lot of them have their hopes pinned on us and on the way we are going to promote arm wrestling. So
Do that.
so it's a big huge responsibility.
तो आई वुड वांट ये एक्ट्रेस से जो खेल कूद वाला ये रुझान है वो कैसे आ गया? Because usually people are not very in.
No. I was not very much into it. I have to give a lot of credit for this to my husband because he was very into combat sports, boxing, MMA. और हमारी कंपनी एक शो भी किया था, the MMA India show, जो बहुत ही पॉपुलर हो गया. It became the India's #1 show on MMA. From that we decided कि हम स्पोर्ट्स प्रमोशन में जाना चाह रहे हैं, लीग करना चाह रहे हैं, लेकिन हमें ऐसे स्पोर्ट में आना था जिससे हमारे आने से कोई फ़र्क पड़े. अभी आप देखोगे कबड्डी या टेनिस या टेबल टेनिस, उसमें बहुत सपोर्ट है और ऑलरेडी बहुत सारे लोग हैं उस स्पोर्ट में. लेकिन ये एक ऐसा स्पोर्ट था जिसके पीछे कोई सपोर्ट नहीं था, लेकिन जो हमें लगा कि इट कैन बिकम ह्यूजली पॉपुलर इन इंडिया, एंड इट डिड बिकम, बिकॉज लास्ट ईयर ऑन सोनी स्पोर्ट्स वी हैड मोर देन 32 million unique viewers just
my
on Sony Sports, which is a huge number for the first season of a league. So
तो यही कारण है कि यहाँ से ज़्यादा पैसा आ रहा तो आपका फिल्म में इंटरेस्ट खत्म हो गया.
देखिए पैसे की बात ही नहीं होती, और मैं यही कहूँगी कि
दिल है.
हाँ, ये एक हमारा एक पैशन है. अब तो हमारे सारे एथलीट्स are like our kids really.
Yeah.
We look after them. We try to make different events for them or different stages for them. Pro Panja League के साथ और फेडरेशन के साथ.
अरे वाह.
हम एक रिलेशनशिप चेंज करना चाह रहे हैं एथलीट और फेडरेशन के बीच, जो एक बहुत ही हमेशा
Formal, professional.
फाइटिंग वाला रिलेशनशिप होता है. एथलीट विल ऑलवेज से कि आई डोंट लाइक द फेडरेशन, फेडरेशन विल ऑल्सो द एथलीट डज. सो वी वांट टू चेंज दैट इक्वेशन एंड मेक श्योर दैट द फेडरेशन वर्क्स फॉर द एथलीट
एवरीवेयर मोहब्बतें. हाँ,
एवरीवेयर.
वंस मोहब्बतें विल बी ऑलवेज मोहब्बतें. मोहब्बतें ही मोहब्बतें. ठीक है. ब्रेकअप भी होंगे आपके शादी से पहले, है ना?
ब्रेकअप
ऐसा मतलब कि दिल टूट गया हो टाइप्स, क्योंकि आई एम टेकिंग योर गाइडेंस, योर
दिल
एक्सपीरियंस
टूट गया.
टू यंग पीपल.
दिल टूट गया या ये नहीं मालूम, लेकिन ऑफ कोर्स
तोड़े बहुत हैं.
ऑफ कोर्स आई कैन नॉट से कि मैं हरीश चंद्र थी या कुछ मदर टेरेसा थी. नहीं, आई वाज नॉर्मल यंग गर्ल लिविंग इन बॉम्बे. सो यस, आई हैड बॉयफ्रेंड्स ऑफ कोर्स.
तो मूव ऑन कैसे किया आपने? बड़ा मुश्किल होता है, करियर भी साथ साथ चल रहा है.
नहीं, ये मेरी आई वुड से कि मेरी पर्सनालिटी में एक अच्छी चीज़ है. आई डोंट टेक एनीथिंग टू सीरियसली.
हाँ,
सो इट वाज नॉट वेरी.
कॉल मी बे. But what's your guidance? Because of course you must have
I have to tell the youth. मैं तो हमेशा वरी करती हूँ कि this youth, when you're young, a relationship is like, oh, ये मेरे लिए सब कुछ है, and this and that. Because I feel like telling the youth that concentrate more on your work, on your own personality, and don't breakups are a part of life.
Yes.
So you have to just, but it's easy to say when you're of a different age, but when you're 16 and 17, it's like the main thing in your life. तो मैं youth को यही बोलना चाहूँगी. It's not the be all and end all.
But you also agree that Bollywood has been a bit harsh to you in not giving as much as work that you could have done.
Yes.
Huh?
Of course, everybody, like I said, everybody will always feel कि I could have done so much more, and I could have, if I had got more opportunities and more challenges. I see a lot of people getting more chances again and
True
again
that.
and again and again. So yes, of course, I definitely felt that. But on the other hand, considering I'm not from films at all, and मैंने ज़्यादा मैं इतनी push नहीं किया अपने आप को, और ज़्यादा मैं अपने PR पे और इस पे इतना काम नहीं किया. So I would say in that sense I've got a huge
that
body
way.
of work behind me. So I would say I'm lucky also in that aspect.
But you've got friends. Do you still talk to Jimmy Shergill?
Yeah, of course.
Ah.
See, Jimmy, Jugal, Uday, Shamita, Kim. Whenever we meet,
Yeah.
there's always a bond because we did our first film together.
Yeah.
So that bond will always be there.
जिम्मी की सबसे पसंदीदा फिल्म कौन सी है आपकी मोहब्बती के अलावा? I like him more in Tanu Vets Manu.
Oh yeah, I loved him in that.
know.
Yes,
Is he-
why not? That is a very good film.
Rather, तो he has started playing some killer roles also nowadays.
He'll be good in that also.
He's a fantabulous actor.
He's a good actor. Yes.
ठीक है. एक फिल्म अगर एक्ट्रेस की चुरानी हो तो कौन सी चुराएंगे आप? आपकी पसंदीदा एक्ट्रेस और आपकी पसंदीदा
I love Sridevi. I can't go beyond Sridevi only. उससे आगे ही मैं नहीं जा सकती because I love her and I always wanted to do Lamhe or Chalbaz or something like that. She's amazing.
Yeah.
She was amazing. So yeah. But now of course I think Alia is doing some very good
Yeah.
work.
Gangubai is one of them.
Yeah, Gangubai was amazing. I think she was fantastic in it. Very against how she actually looks. And for her to be able to do that, it was very
Maybe
very
also
amazing.
the reason why we appreciate Alia Bhatt too much now,
Yeah.
because we have seen her performance growing
Yes.
from Student of the Year to Gangubai, then
Yes.
Highway, and then other
Yes.
films that she has done.
Yes.
So she's been able to prove herself that way.
She has. And she's fantastic. I have to say.
अगर आप अभी की एक्ट्रेस होती और अभी आपको किसी पे क्रश होता तो वो कौन होता? बता दीजिए, छुपाई नहीं.
नहीं, क्या छुपाना, मैं तो बता देती हूँ. सोचना पड़ता है ना, लेकिन who will be good?
ईशान खट्टर.
Yeah.
ये तो मेरे पर्सनली मैं रिवील कर देता हर जगह.
Thank you for that. Yes. Yeah, he's cute.
Vedang
Very
also.
cute. Vedang also. Yes.
Hey, you cannot have too many crushes.
Why not?
ठीक है. it's fine.
Why not? It's okay.
एक डेट करना हो तो फिर आप किसको करती दोनों में से?
Vedang or Ishan? I like Ishan.
ईशान.
Yeah. Vedang is too young now. What time?
ईशान is also young.
Yeah, but he just has a little more mature style of acting, I think. Vedang को इतना देखा नहीं है ना स्क्रीन पे. I haven't seen him that much, but I'm sure.
No, हमने तो उनको बहुत शादी में देखा था अभी एक.
अच्छा.
बहुत ही ज़्यादा. I didn't say anything.
So much you are enjoying.
Aren't you? But साथ साथ क्योंकि अभी तो पूरा सिनेमा has changed. पुराने ज़माने की acting and now acting is like totally different. Do you
Yeah.
find it बहुत ज़्यादा अभी you
of
did a
course.
show.
Yes, it was very difficult for me because
हाँ?
yes, because definitely और मैंने काफ़ी साउथ फिल्म में भी किए तो थोड़ा loud acting है थोड़ा. Yes, I don't think I was the world's greatest actress. थोड़ा क्योंकि मैं कोई फॉर्मल ट्रेनिंग कभी नहीं की
अरे
थी
वाह।
और जो इंस्टिंक्टिव था. ठीक है, जब आप यंग होते हो, आप यंग रोल्स कर रहे होते हो तो वो चल जाता है. लेकिन फॉर एन एक्टर टू एक्चुअली डू एन इंटेंस रोल, दैट्स व्हाई आई अप्रिशिएट एक्चुअली आलिया सो मच बिकॉज शी
Yeah.
इज also young, but she's brought a lot of maturity to her characters. And when I did Kafas recently, it was little. The director had to rein me in a couple of times. Ki thoda do less. So yes, it is. a
And
big
technical क्या क्या
difference.
changes देखे?
Technical तो professionalism, time पे आना, everything is ready on the dot.
Yeah.
That is very good. And yes, so many changes in terms of the camera work and the lighting. Everything is more natural.
Yeah.
You know, even the makeup and everything so much better. नहीं तो
Makeup.
हम तो बड़े बड़े wig पहन के और वो पहन के shoot करते थे, you know. And because see, I've always had very light hair. So हमेशा it was like put more hair, put more like makeup, and I think it used to look too garish. So it's nice now.
ऑल्सो आई गेस अभी तो बहुत अच्छी बात यह है कि नाउ एक्टर्स हैव बिकम डायरेक्टर्स पीपल. दे लिसन टू डायरेक्टर्स नाउ अ लॉट. ऑल्सो द डांसर्स दे डोंट कम पहाड़ियों के पीछे से
Yes, they
आजकल.
don't.
अदरवाइज इन योर जमाना तो दे यूज्ड टू
Yeah,
कम.
they used to come about.
दीवार के पीछे से जिम्मी शेरगिल के पीछे 10 डांसर आ गए थे.
Yeah.
Oh
So
my
everything
God.
is more natural and more conducive to the scene,
Hmm.
the demands of the scene. For sure.
शाहरुख खान के साथ अब फिल्में करेंगे आप, मौका मिले तो?
What do you mean? ये क्या सवाल हुआ? Of course.
अभी you can say no also, come
Why
on.
will I say no?
You'll
Not
let-
at all.
any
not
day
at
you'll
all.
say
Of
yes.
course, any day. Why? Who will say no to Shah Rukh Khan?
रियलिटी शोज के ऑफर जरूर आते हैं.
See, reality
Are you
shows
going to Big Boss 18?
Something I am not going to do. Big Boss has been offered to me every year.
This year also
but-
they came to you?
Yes, this year also they came to me. But Big Boss is something I think I will not do.
Why?
I will.
क्या?
Firstly, I don't have the time.
Hmm. Of
I have a
course.
family, I have my company, I am very busy. So, firstly, I don't have the time. Secondly, I don't know if I'll be very good. I won't be very entertaining.
You would be.
इतनी मैं वो नहीं हूँ.
I am telling you. Approved.
इतनी entertaining नहीं होंगी मैं. You have to be little.
वो मैं बता लिख के दे रहा हूँ. अगर you feel go, they'll make you dance on मोहब्बत का that song.
They'll make me dance.
प्यार
then.
हो. Same
That only
कपड़ों
I'll be
में.
doing.
Same कपड़ों में also. I am feeling like वो ऐसा होगा. But
No, but I don't think you'll see me in Big Boss.
are
I
bad. Are bad. पर कभी ऐसा मन किया तो I guess never say never वाला thing है.
See, you should never say never. मैं कहती थी I'll never be an actress because and now I'm an actress. I used to say I'll never be a producer. Don't ever, because I've seen producer goes through rubbish.
Yeah.
Goes through hell and everybody hates the producer. But I became a producer.
Hmm.
Sports I never knew. I never thought I'll get into the sports
Yeah.
or sporting field, let alone arm wrestling, let alone something that's known as a combat sport. So, you can never say never in life.
इंडस्ट्री में ना सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम ये होती है, पीपल बिलीव व्हाट दे आर लिसनिंग अप टू,
Yes.
है ना? तो द परसेप्शन इज ऑलरेडी मेड अप कि ओहो वी हैव हर्ड दिस थिंग अबाउट द एक्ट्रेस, वो तो ऐसी है,
Yeah.
अरे है हमने तो इसके बारे में ये सुना है.
Correct.
सो हाउ डू यू लाइक मैनेज टू ब्रेक दैट एंड यू नो स्टिल कंटिन्यूइंग विद अ ब्राइट स्माइल एंड वॉकिंग इन अ रूम विद अ लॉट ऑफ पॉजिटिव एनर्जी?
All actresses are used to that. I'm in the line since I have been acting since I'm 16 years
Yeah.
old. I started with my first music video at 17. So you meet all kinds of people. And very early in life, I was able to deal with all kinds of people. You suddenly start traveling to new places. You have to deal
Yes.
with people of different countries. And now in this arm wrestling profession, I'm traveling to countries I've never even heard of. I've just come from Moldova.
Yeah.
अभी किसने सुना भी नहीं था कि Moldova है कहाँ. So, traveling, working from a young age, as you know also,
जी.
it makes you very confident and able to
Ignore.
ignore with everything, deal with all kinds of situations and all kinds of people. I was very shy, very quiet. मैं तो मुंह नहीं चू नहीं निकलती थी किसी के सामने. But
People being
life
people.
makes you,
People on the floor.
people on the floor.
हाँ, गाना एक people on the floor. So the people are always on the floor if they talk bad.
If they talk, let them be on the floor. Let them talk bad from the floor.
कितना घटिया जोक मारा मैंने.
I don't know.
Have you ever faced rejection also?
In films, yeah. In fact, I've been replaced from films also. It's happened.
And what was the worst line that they have
Now
ever
it's
said to
easy
you?
for me to say because I'm past that age.
Not at all. You
That
rejected
time-
me.
That time it of course affects you and you feel bad. But now it's like
What was the worst line that you've heard
worst line.
that
means?
they must have said to you?
नहीं ऐसा किसी ने नहीं बोला.
अच्छा, मुंह पे नहीं बोला.
नहीं. Not at all. I've had never had a. Luckily for me, मुझे कभी bad experience नहीं हुआ. Maybe I was living in Bombay. I had support of my family. I've not come from somewhere. I didn't have to pay my rent. So I was never. I cannot say that I ever had a struggling period. वो मैं कभी नहीं कह सकती. And I'm lucky for that.
And what was the reaction of your family when you did मोहब्बतें?
My father was always very cool. He always said कि जो करना है करो लाइफ में. मुझे हमें कभी ये मैंने कभी सुना ही नहीं कि ये पहनो वो पहनो. Wear this, don't wear this. This is not good. This is not good. कि ये नहीं करना चाहिए स्क्रीन पे, ये मत करो. Nobody. I never had any rules in my family with my father and my mother. They were very open and very modern people. So
Which you're not to your kids.
why I'm not?
You are not giving them Instagram. He's bichara 13, 14. He's like, please allow me.
He is on Instagram, but he's not allowed to post his pictures now. Now he is allowed to keep an account, but it's a private account.
So what is the use of that account? Do you follow him?
Yes, of course I follow.
Hi. to keep an eye.
Properly, I follow.
Are you that mother who calls
No, not at all.
and
We are
asks,
very
where are
cool.
you?
No,
Huh?
not at all, not at all. That much freedom, see, you have to give any child.
Hmm.
He has to be able to live his life. But this age, he needs some guidance also.
That is important.
Yes. अभी आप मुझे मम्मी बना रहे हो, मम्मी वाली चीज़ें. I am a mother, so
I guess the mother feeling, the motherhood is very
Yes.
special to everyone.
it is.
It is, है ना? And what was your mother's reaction? You going through इतनी चीजें, rejection, replacement, but still doing good work.
इतना कुछ रिजेक्शन रिप्लेसमेंट नहीं हुआ.
You said no.
बट
हाँ.
हुआ कभी कभी. But इतना कुछ नहीं हुआ that my mother and my father were always standing with me at every
Very
step.
lovely.
So it was never. And like I said, I never had struggle. I never had like very tough times.
You never had fight on set also with anyone?
Fight on set? No.
Because you were shy, no, initially.
Yeah, no fights.
Then you became blunt.
Blunt also I never became. I'm not blunt today also. Still I can't be rude to people.
That's so lovely. No.
Yeah. So still I'm not. It depends. It's a nature to nature person. I don't get angry so easily.
अरे वाह.
गुस्सा नहीं आता इतना.
But how do you like disqualify people from your life? Like just like if you see something.
I don't disqualify people from my life.
Uh-huh.
I don't disqualify them, and I don't believe in hating somebody because everybody does something for themselves only. कोई कुछ करता है, कोई बुरा होने के लिए थोड़ी करता है, कोई जो करता है वो अपने लिए करता है.
अरे वाह.
So maybe if I was in that person's position, I may do the same thing. If I'm a producer and I feel that this actress is not right and I want to take somebody else, it's my film, it's my money.
Yeah.
So I have to. I don't blame anybody for what they do. They don't do it to be bad to you. They do it for their own good.
क्योंकि शो का नाम टॉक्सिक है तो क्या हाउ टॉकेटिव आर यू इन रियल लाइफ
And not very, I think.
यू
I don't
मोर ऑफ अ
think
टेक्स्ट पर्सन
Text, yeah. Nowadays, who's not text person? Everyone is a text person.
आई तो हेट टेक्स्ट आई तो कॉल माय फाउंडर आल्सो वीडियो
Yeah.
कॉल सीधा हेलो हाय दिस इज हैज हैपेंड यू आर अ टेक्स्ट
Yeah,
पर्सन
no, I don't video call anybody.
anybody not your husband also
Yeah, I do, but not.
as much as
As
you
much as
text
you.
him
Yeah, I text him more. We are more text people. Yeah.
खुद भी नहीं करनी वीडियो कॉल बच्चों को भी नहीं करने दे रही है बेचारे कहाँ होंगे वो
इतनी
लोग
भी नहीं बुरी हूँ मैं. थोड़ा कुछ lenient
that.
भी हूँ.
Yes. But what is one mother tip that you'll be giving to Deepika now? Because she's got a baby girl.
Mother tip is don't listen to anybody's tip.
Best tip.
Yes, go by your instinct. That is a tip to her. But I'd like to congratulate her. And it's a new phase for them. And I think it's a very exciting time.
What have you got in your bucket list, Preeti ji? I am waiting, as I said it before.
Yes.
So-
My bucket list is definitely do a fantastic. I know a lot of people keep still calling me and telling me that we want to see you back on screen. And I would love to do something. I would love to do something either on OTT or on film. I would love to, of course. I would love to be back, but it has to be worth my time. And I can't say ऐसा नहीं है कि I'm not getting any offers or anything.
Of course,
yes,
of course.
I do get a lot of, especially TV shows, and a lot of scripts also, film scripts. But it has to be something that when people see me back on screen, it should be worth my while.
अरे वाह. With that note, I hope you enjoyed the conversation.
I really
I'm
did.
still sorry that I was a bit late today.
That's okay, Adi. It's Mumbai traffic.
Mumbai traffic. But it was worth talking to you, of course.
But it's good. You're busy, and that's good. I'm glad. Touch wood.
बच गया, देखो नज़र उतर गई आपकी. मैसेज मैं चाहूँगा आपका जनता को दे दीजिए बिकॉज
मैसेज क्या मैसेज दूँ?
मोहब्बतें करिए, मोहब्बतों में ही रहिए, मोहब्बतों में जिए.
नहीं, मैं कहूँगी जो आप करना चाहें प्लीज़ करिए लाइफ में. एंड लाइक आई सेड कि किसी को एडवाइस मत करनी चाहिए. गो फॉर योर ड्रीम्स बट डोंट रन अवे फ्रॉम होम एंड डोंट एवर लीव योर पेरेंट्स बिकॉज योर पेरेंट्स एंड योर फैमिली इज ऑलवेज देयर फॉर यू.
अरे वाह. With that note, thank you so much.
Thank you.
It was lovely talking to you.
Thank you.
I am just thankful for this.
Thank you
so
very much. Thank you,
Done.
Adi. Thank you. It was
Cut.
lovely.